Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 13 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2410, maximum matching of players with trainers. So this problem is actually very easy. Okay, I'm not going to say that it is of medium level, it is very easy. Okay, so let's read the problem statement. You are given a zero indexed integer array players where players of I represents the ability of the ith player. You are also given a zero indexed integer array trainers, okay, where trainers of j represents the training capacity of the jth trainer. All right, now the ith player can match with the jth trainer if the player's ability is less than or equal to the trainer's training capacity. All right, so here player's ability it should be less than or equal to trainer's training capacity. All right, additionally the ith player can be matched with at most one trainer and the jth trainer can be matched with at most one player. Okay, so one to one relation will be there, right? Okay, we have to return the maximum number of matchings between players and the trainers that satisfy these conditions. Okay, max number. All right, so here let's suppose player A, okay, this is player B. All right, this is trainer A, let's say, and this is trainer B. Okay, so here players capacity, okay, so here let's write 2, and here player B's capacity, let's say 5. Okay, now here trainers A's capacity, let's say 4. Okay, and let's say this trainer B's capacity is 6, okay, or 5, whatever you want. Okay, so now from here in these two examples, one to one relation will be there. Okay, so now here if I link this player A, okay, with this trainer B, all right, so now here, yeah, this can form combination, right? Player's ability is 2 and this 2 is less than equal to this trainer's training capacity, which is 6 res. Okay, okay, this is done. Okay, 1. Okay, we have to return the maximum number of matchings. Okay, this is one matching. So now here, can I match this player B with this trainer A? Okay, so 5 is less than equal to 4. No, false, right? So only one is possible, right? Only one matching is there. Okay, now only one is possible, right? But if I match player A having 2 with TA4, okay, and player B with 5, okay, capacity, with trainer B having 6 ability, right? This is what given, right? Player's ability and trainer's capacity. Okay, player's ability and trainer's capacity. Okay, right? So if I do this, then it is possible, then two matches are there, right? So what we need to return, we need to return the max number of matchings. Okay, so this is possible, right? This is bad. Okay, so here, from here I can conclude that if I just do the sorting, okay, on player's ability and the trainer's capacity, okay, if I just do the sorting on these two, then definitely it is beneficial for me, right, to link 2 with 4, okay, directly, right? Okay, then it is possible. But here if I just I have to become greedy, right? I have to become greedy. Okay, so for this 2, if I am satisfied with this 4, then why I'm using this 6? Okay, I have to pick the minimum one, right? So that later on this will make the link with this. Okay, so I have to become greedy. Okay, so I have to do the sorting, right, for this purpose. So here just do the sorting. So here you have players like 4, then 7, then 9. Okay, ordered in increasing order. All right, so let's say player A, player B, and player C. Okay, then trainers 8258. Okay, so here also do the sorting. 2588. Okay, 2588. Okay, let's say this is trainer A, trainer B, trainer C, trainer D. Okay, D. All right, so now here see 4 is less than equal to 2. No. Okay, player's ability should be less than equal to, right? So this is not possible. What I'm going to do, I'm moving, let's say this is my I and this is my J. So right now this both are not matching. Okay, so my J is going to move forward. Okay, now see this value 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes, okay, 4 is less than equal to 5. Player's ability is less than equal to trainer's training capacity, right? So here I'm going to make one link. Okay, so now here I'm making the link. So now this time I is also going to move forward and J is also going to move forward. Okay, now here 7 is less than equal to 8. Okay, so here this is second matching. Okay, now again I is going to move here, J is going to move here. 9 is less than equal to 8. No. Okay, so now in this case both I is going to move forward, J is going to move forward, right? So out of bound, so we have to stop. Okay, so total matches are 2. All right, so if anyone goes out of bound, so I have to stop, right? Because we need to just find the matchings. Okay, okay, so now let's write the code. So here arrays dot sort, okay, applies the sorting on players, right? And here arrays dot sort on the trainers. This is also done. Then after that just get the length. Okay, so players array, what is the length? Players dot length. Okay, and then m variable for the trainers dot length. How many trainers are there? Trainers dot length. Okay, and then after that we have to return the number of matches. Okay, so create one variable count, set it to 0, and then just run one while loop while I is less than n. Okay, and j is less than m. Okay, and here inside this we have to just check this. Okay, if players ability. Okay, so players of I value. Okay, if it is less than equal to trainers of j value. Okay, then in that case your I will be moving forward, your j will be moving forward, and there is one match, so count value is incremented. Okay, so if this is not the case, that simply means your players of I value is greater than the trainers of j, then in that case just increment j. Okay, because we have already sorted, right? So definitely if I'm moving j next time, so I'm going to get some bigger value. Okay, so I'm only moving this further, right? That's it. So here your while loop ends, and here you have to simply return count. That's it. Okay, now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. We'll try to fix that. So yes, there are some issues, so let's fix that. So here okay, we haven't created the variables I and j. Okay, so here int I initialize with 0 and j initialize with 0. That's it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so now let's run the code. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be, we are doing the sorting. Okay, so of n log n you can say for players, and plus m log m for trainers. Okay, so two sortings we are doing, right? So that's why of n log n plus of m log m. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.